All right, I thought I would record a quick little video here showing how I put the mast up on my butterfly. Now this dinghy is new to me, so I don't necessarily know all the ins and outs, but it seems relatively straightforward. So take two mast sections, slide them together, make sure all the stays are untangled and fair. Take the starboard stay, hook it up. Then we move over to the port stay, making sure it's untangled from everything, make sure the tangs on the mast are pointed roughly the correct direction. And I struggle here for a second to get this hooked up, but then there we go. All right, now with the two side stays hooked up, we go back to the forestay, make sure it's not tangled up in anything. I like to bring it over to the side of the boat here so that as I grab the bottom section of the mast there, start to stand it up, set the mast on its base, and then I can reach over and grab the forestay and then just hook it up. Simple.